Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to all of you. This is Rebecca Sultana from Bogura. I would like to thanks my honorable teacher for giving me opportunity to share my today's lesson. Today's lesson is about a description of about classroom. Anyway, I didn't see this classroom, but I memorized this my classroom when I was post basic BSc nursing course. That time I memorized that classroom. And that classroom having total capacity is student 125. So big classroom was there. That classroom well prepared and well ventilated. There are so many windows are there and two doors are there. One table and one chair was there. Then one blackboard, multimedia projector, and when came one teacher in the classroom, that teacher is speaking with microphone, that microphone, because this big room, if teacher is without microphone, she or he is talking, that last line is not listening. For that, using that microphone. Then I am trying to sitting in first level of chair. We're sitting in chair with handle, and there so 125 students were learning that classroom, but not crowding, because they are all are adult people, are adult learners was there.
We are co-learners and honorable teacher of you are by the grace of God, of you are fine. I am fine too. This is Om Prakash Das speaking. I am from Calcutta. Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I try to something about the lesson. If any mistake, take it easy. Today my lesson, now sharing classroom. Now the classroom is a smart classroom. Classroom. There are smart presentation about without chalk and duster. Now the classroom gallery system. Every student see the teacher and the black teacher and the presentation of PowerPoint presentation. Now the classroom is fully AC and well decorated. In the classroom, there are so many pictures about the freedom fighter and writer and other dignitaries. I don't follow my session. That's for all the moment. Thank you so much.
Here present our honorable teacher, Mr. Asadul Rahman sir, and dear co-learners. Let us take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is very good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. But very badly to say, I feel feverish today, and I have gas cold with high fever. And I want to say that I can't listen properly, but I would like to share my lesson. And today, please take it easy if there's any mistake. And dear sir, respected honorable sir, please pardon me if there is any mistake. Or now I start my lesson today. Now our lesson is the classroom picture. The classroom is a place where students learn many things. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.